National Weather Service. Yeah, I'm just saying I'm under a snow squall warning. Yeah, this is insane here. I mean, this is some insane weather here. Here you go right there, snow squall warning. That's my radar right there. Yeah, this is insane here. I mean, it is snowing there now. Birds are flying everywhere. Kind of hard this is gusting. Yeah, it's just crazy. Try to zoom back out. I can only do so much. This is officially at the airport right now. I got 0 degrees on the front porch. That's at the airport. That's cold enough. Snow squall warning. Yep, most definitely under a snow squall warning for this county. Oh, why these birds just keep flying around? Yeah, look at this. I'm gonna zoom in. I can't even see hardly that tree over there, hardly. I mean, heavy, heavy, heavy snow there now. Wish I could pull that thing all the way out. It's Still blowing pretty good. Yeah, I mean, we got insane weather happening right now. Wind chills are 30 below zero. This is from a distance outside my front window, so across the street over there to those trees is probably 20 yards or something like that, and look how hard that's coming down. That's actually falling from the sky right there. This is only just right across the street from me. You can't see any further than that. I mean, this is heavy snow here. And it keeps getting, the flakes keep getting bigger too, and heavier. Yeah, this is just about, I mean, I would say this is visibility probably an eighth to a quarter of a mile, maybe something like that if I guessed at it. Yep, the snow's starting to stick on the windows too. Wow, that is heavy. Yeah, look at this. There's a little bird right there. See, it's getting pretty white out there now. Really still coming down. Yeah, it's still a complete whiteout just about up there. Ooh, that's cold. Ooh wee, that's cold. Try to get some of that maybe. There we go. I think this is probably the hardest I've ever seen it snow in my life. Look down through there. I can't stand here but a minute because we got 30 below zero wind chills. We got winds probably gusting now to about 30 miles per hour. Whew, man. Yeah, stuff, it's still coming. Not quite as windy as it was. So much snow's in the backyard. I mean, that is snowing like crazy. Wow, I mean, it blows and it's just like a whiteout just about. Man. What the? Yeah, that red box. Snow squall warning. Pretty crazy stuff. Yep, I'm still under that snow squall warning. Find that. Yeah, wherever that. Look at those temperatures. -1 for me. Like 10 minutes later and it's coming down. Coming down even harder, it looks like. Yeah, it picked up heavy again. It blew down a few small limbs. Yeah, just some little ones there. Pretty good size flakes in that too. About nickel size. Some of them may be up to about the size of a quarter maybe. Yep, as you can see, its ground is pretty white. Yeah, and the street's pretty white. It's lessened up some, but I mean, it's still really coming down. Yeah, that's still after it's lessened up some. Big gust of wind there. These redbirds are just flying around everywhere. Put some seed out for them. Yeah, I was going to say December 22nd, 2022, Winter Storm Elliott. We got the snow squall warnings for southern Kansas and northeast central Oklahoma. We got that. And I'm going to say much love, everybody. And yeah, I'm saying that piece of energy on the tail end of that system, it really got strong, over southeastern Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma. Much love, everybody. This is part 2, Winter Storm Elliott. Temperature is dropping fast, down to 3 at the airport now. We got negative numbers off to the west, -1. Yep, it's still showing I'm in heavy snow still. And band of snow, yeah, is heavier here than it is in Madison up there, it looks like, according to this radar.